It's going to be a fabulous event, and it's going to be hot, so come out, have some cool drinks, and a really good time. Hey, Lauren.
Hey, good morning, Robbie. And that's the trend as of right now. Things are continuing to heat up. We've got a big ridge of high pressure dominating in the upper levels of the atmosphere, but it's going to continue to move off to the west. It's over in the east right now, and it's going to bring us some big time heat as we move into this upcoming week. So I'll dive into the forecast details in just a bit, but first, I want to talk about the climatology and what we've seen so far this month. Believe it or not, it's been a below average month, 16 days below what we typically see for this time of the year. That even encompasses yesterday. 96 degrees was our high temperature. Typically for this time of the year, we get around 97. Why we had heat advisories in effect, it was because all the moisture content in the atmosphere. That's why we saw heat index values around 107 degrees and why we had heat alerts in effect. Today, well, we're not going to see as much moisture, so the heat index values won't be as high. It won't meet that heat advisory criteria. It's been a cool start to 2025. Again, seen below average temperatures for the majority of this month. The past years that we've seen this was 2019, 2007, and 1992. However, we did see around 14 triple-digit days back in 2019, and here in 2025, we do have the potential for some triple-digit days in the near future. Right now, we're sitting at 77. If you're over towards Fort Worth, the heat index value feels more like 79 thanks to the dew point temperature. And again, as we continue into this afternoon, temperatures will climb back around 96 degrees as your high around 5 p.m. today. 102 is what it's going to feel like. That's your heat index value, the feels like temperature. It's going to be a hot one continuing through the day today once again. But again, we won't have those heat alerts in effect. Just make sure you're taking precautions and drinking plenty of water. Now, we will see the dew point temperature decline just a little bit. 65 is going to be that dew point temperature here across North Texas. So we will be looking at the potential for a couple of spotty showers, about a 10% chance, especially for our eastern counties. And to the southeast is about a 20% chance. So just a heads up, we do have the potential for a couple spotty showers for some of us. I was talking about that high pressure. It's going to move into the central United States as we move into Wednesday, and that's going to peak the heat. Temperatures will be back into the triple digits by Wednesday. And again, it will be dry, hot, and sunny. So gear up for those triple digits back into the forecast.